Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Airtable for multifamily investor tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.airtable.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up for free button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address accurately. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it meets the security criteria provided. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open your email and find the verification message from Airtable. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. You may be redirected back to the Airtable website. This time, you'll need to log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Take a moment to explore the options presented. Look for the option to create a new base. Click on New Base to start building your tracking system. You may choose to start from scratch or select a template. For investor tracking, selecting a relevant template may save time. Once you choose, name your base appropriately. For instance, multifamily investor tracking. With your base created, you can begin adding tables. Create a table for property details. Another table could be for investor information. Add any additional tables as required for your tracking needs. Make sure to define the fields for each table clearly. Include fields such as property name, location, and investor contacts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.